Morning everyone, welcome back to my channel if you are new. It is currently 8:15 a.m. Today's gonna be a day in my life vlog. I'm not doing too much. It was a cloudy day, so I'm just gonna take you guys along on my day. So yeah. So I've just got changed for the gym. These are just biker shorts. These are from Aritzia, my Calvin Klein sports bra, and this is just a basic cover-up gray sweater that I like to wear. So yeah, now we're gonna get ready to go to the gym. All right, let's go work out. So recently, Planet Fitness, my gym, made it mandatory they have to wear a mask, which is fine because everyone has to wear a mask everywhere. But it's just kind of hard to work out with one. I've noticed people are like taking them off, even like in their separate stations. So yeah, so right now I'm just putting my mask on. Awesome. And now we're gonna go in and work out. I'm gonna try to film, but I'm not sure how much I can film in there. Now it's time for my favorite part, where I can hope that my tripod stays up. Starbucks. I don't get Starbucks every day because the coffee that I like to get is literally like $7, but here is my order. You guys should definitely try it.
Hi, the parking is better for you.
Hi, could I please get a grande iced triple caramel macchiato?
Yeah, of course. Anything else?
Can I get it with an extra pump of vanilla and caramel drizzle on the top and bottom? All for the lids that don't have straws, but for this drink, because there's all the caramel on the bottom, I need a straw to mix all the caramel in, or else that shit does not taste good. And you need the caramel in this drink because there's so much espresso. So now I'm gonna go home and shower. I'm really excited to eat some food. Probably making food is my favorite thing after the gym, because I'm just so hungry. Let me know if you guys like to eat before you work out or after. Okay, anyway, let's try this fucking drink for the 8th time, 100th time. Fucking so good, bro. That shit. The pancakes. So recently I've been selling my clothes on Poshmark. I'll link my Poshmark in the description bar. So right now I'm just gonna package up a order that I received this morning. So I sold, these are just some Reebok track pants, and I'm gonna show you guys how I package them. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut out my label, and I'm just packaging this in some Amazon packaging that I had because I ran out of boxes. And then I just put my item in the bag with a thank you note that I wrote. I go ahead and seal that up and take on a label like this. Every couple days I like to tint my eyebrows, so that's what I'm going to do now. And I actually use the Just For Men. This is the beard dye, and it works really well. You just mix the color and the developer together. So yeah, you literally only need this much, and then just go take a brush and mix it all together. And then something I like to do is just take a damp Q-tip and soften the sharp edges, just because you don't want that really bold, maybe you do, I don't know, edge with this because it gets pretty dark. Once it's nice and dark, nice thing about this is that it only takes 5 minutes. So you just remove it. I'm just using some micellar water. Sometimes you can use shampoo, whatever you want. Yeah, so just remove that. My eyebrows are all tinted. I'm gonna go pick my friend Georgia up. We're gonna go to this place called the Art We Are and just get some tea. It's like this really cute little local shop in my town. And then we're gonna go thrift shopping, which is my favorite activity, so that's fun. We were supposed to go to the beach today, but it has not been very nice out. Clearly it's been super cloudy and rainy for the past 2 days. I'm just about to head out, so I wanted to show you guys my outfit. I am wearing these jeans. These are from Urban Outfitters. My top is from Aritzia. This big sweater was thrifted. And then I'm just wearing my Converse. Yeah, so I'm gonna get to head out. So cute. Yeah.
Beans. We got some cranberry. We got some quinoa.
Great. I'm allergic to quinoa.
And a little bit of lemon dressing.
We got caramel oat milk latte. That's pretty good. It needs another espresso. And I got a turkey panini. I'm allergic to quinoa. We made it to the beach, and I'm gonna try to set up this beach chair. It's like one of those ones that you like fill with air and inflate it. I probably need more air in it, but Georgia got it to kind of work. We can figure it out maybe.
Yeah, she won't say either. You look so relaxed.
Hey everyone, so it's been a while now. It's currently 5:17 p.m. We just got back from the beach. It was getting really hot, so now we're gonna go make some dinner, have some drinks, all that jazz. Just want to know if like I'm the only one who didn't know that mini drumsticks existed. This is amazing. This is news to me. It's so nice outside. Decided to do the kind where you don't take your pencil off the paper. And then we did a painting one. Doesn't look anything like her. Oh well. Alright, you guys. I'm gonna end the vlog here. But yeah, that was just enjoying my life. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe if you want. If you want to see more videos, that would be great. The support would be appreciated. Yeah, but anyway, have a good night.